So this is made from Indicators Technology. In this video tutorial, I want to show you step by step how you can create an Amazon teacher wish list. I've already written a blog post on the whole process, and if you haven't already checked it, I would advise that you read the whole post to learn more about what is an Amazon wish list and why you need to create lists on Amazon for your classrooms. So the first thing you need to keep in mind is you need to have an account with Amazon. So you just need to log into your account. I'm already logged in here. Click on account. Then move down to your lists. Click on your lists. And next you'll see here, create a list. Click on create a list. And give your list a name. Let's see, math books. Then click on create a list. Now your list will be shown here. So there is the math books here, the list. What you can do is you can further manage your list the way you want. Click on more, then click on manage list, and you can, for instance, whether you want to change the name, make it private. It's already by default, the list is private. You can make it public, or you can share it with others, and you can also add your email, add a description to your list, and few other things. You can customize your list the way you want. Once you're finished, click on save changes, and then your list is ready to go. So next is how to add items to your list. Let's say, for instance, we found a book. Let's click on this book, and let me show you how you can add this item to your Amazon teacher wish list. Now, on the page of the item, just scroll down here, and you will see add to wish list. Click on it. And oops, now choose the list you want to add it. Let's say we want to add it to math books list. Just click on the name of the list, and it will be added automatically to the list. Now here is the item added to the list. So you can either click on continue shopping to go ahead and browse through other products, or you can view the item you just added to the list. So one of the cool things I really like about creating lists on Amazon is you can customize and personalize the items you add to the list. For instance, you can add a comment to the product you just added. For instance, let's say this is a highly recommended book, something like this. You can change the priority to high, highest, low, lowest, and then you can even change the quantities and things like that. So once your list is ready, you can invite, for instance, others to help you with creating lists. And once done, you can send lists to others. Click here to send it to others, and you can do a few other things with your list. So once your lists are ready, you just go ahead and share it with others. So this is all about creating an Amazon teacher wish list. As I said, if you haven't already checked out the post about Amazon teacher list, make sure you read it. Have a good one. Bye.